Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your MetaQuest 2 with your PC in 2026. Now, to begin with, your MetaQuest 2 can be connected to a PC for VR gaming using either a wired or wireless method. So, first of all, you need to connect your headset to your PC using the USB-C cable, and then you need to put on your headset and accept the connection prompt. After that, you need to simply enable the Quest link when it appears. You can also open the MetaQuest link interface inside your headset in order to access your PC. Alternatively, you can also use the Air link. So make sure that your PC and the headset are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can then go to the settings, then you can go to systems and look for the option of quick link. Afterwards, simply enable the Air link option and select your PC from the list. Once connected, you can open the VR games using your PC platforms like VR or Oculus, and the content will also display directly inside your headset. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.